All right, guys, I've been away for the past few days, and these two phones have been sitting here since Friday, but we're going to unbox them today, the S24 Ultra and the S24 Plus. Lots of content coming to the channel. Right now, just the S24 Ultra, and we'll do the S24 Plus in a separate video. I did get the purple or the violet, whatever you want to call it, for the Plus, and the titanium gray for the S24 Ultra, and I'll be doing a ton of videos going from the S23 Ultra to the 24, but let's take a look. The packaging, you guys have seen all the videos. If you're new to the channel, hit that like, drop a sub, and stay tuned for all of the videos I got dropping soon. A lot of audio videos with new earbuds and headphones coming out, and a lot of content coming against the iPhone 15 Plus going up against the 24 Plus, and the 15 Pro Max going up against the 24 Ultra. But we're gonna jump right in. This will be a quick video, right? We know these unboxings and these phones, it's not like it used to be back in the good old days when these would have a ton of things inside of them. But I am excited to get my hands and dig into this device because it is just, that gray color on here, why does it not come out? A little stuck in there. Nothing else. Pretty boring when it comes to the unboxing experience, but the look of this, look at the difference, right? Very similar, at least. From the back, very similar, and the front. Now we do get that new flat panel on the front display, which I am super excited about. If you follow me, you know I prefer a flat display all day long. So I'm here for that, and it does feel good. I am so excited about that flat display on here. Look at the difference between that compared to what we had here on the S23 Ultra. Now the S23 Ultra is still a very good phone. If you have this phone, do not upgrade to the S24 Ultra. All of the AI features that are on this device are coming to the 23 Ultra at some point. So I would not upgrade this device, the 23 Ultra, to the 24. I just wouldn't do it. That's just me personally. You can do it if you want. We'll take this sticker off. While the cameras on here are going to be a little better, still great on the S23 Ultra. Maybe a little better battery life on here, but good battery life on the S23 Ultra. And you can see, welcome. So we are going to throw the SIM in here. This thing is clean. Look how clean that looks. That flat display on here, love it. I'm super excited about that. And on the bottom, the S Pen, of course. Take a look at that. That nice gray color on the S Pen. So super excited. I'm going to throw my SIM in here. Just a quick unboxing, checking out the 24 Ultra compared to the 23 Ultra. Size-wise, the S23 Ultra, same size basically, but definitely a different feel in the hand. Which one will I like better? I'm not really sure. I would say, with the curved edges, the S23 Ultra is probably a little more comfortable, but I do prefer the look of the S24 Ultra, and I would much rather take a flat display. Let me know what you think. Flat display, curved display. It's been an argument for years. I've always been on the one side of the fence. Will I use a curved phone? Sure. Do I prefer an iPhone type flat display? I do. What do you guys think? Which one is your favorite and why? Why is it your favorite? But quick unboxing of the S24 Ultra. A ton of content coming and dropping every day over the next few weeks. I'm going to try and drop a video. That is the goal. I'll be back soon. Peace.